Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To begin, ensure you have the following tools at hand: a Phillips screwdriver, a plastic spudger, and a clean microfiber cloth. These tools will help you safely open the laptop and check the battery code without causing any damage. Start by turning off your MSI Modern 14 and disconnecting it from any power source. Next, place the laptop on a soft surface to prevent scratches. Using the Phillips screwdriver, remove the screws located at the bottom panel. There are usually 10 screws, so be sure to keep them organized for easy reassembly. Once the screws are removed, gently use the plastic spudger to pry open the bottom cover. Take your time here, rushing could lead to breaking the clips that hold the cover in place. If you encounter resistance, double-check for any screws you might have missed. With the bottom panel removed, you'll see the internal components. Locate the battery, which is typically a rectangular shape with a connector at one end. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the laptop using the microfiber cloth. Now, to check the battery code, carefully disconnect the battery from the motherboard. This usually requires gently pulling the connector out. Once disconnected, you should see a label on the battery that includes the part number and the manufacturing code. Write this information down for your records. If you find that your battery is showing signs of wear or is malfunctioning, remember that we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You don't need to worry about finding the right tools or even making the trip to a repair shop. Once you have your battery code, reconnect the battery to the motherboard and replace the bottom cover. Secure it with the screws you removed earlier. It's important to ensure everything is back in its original place before powering on the laptop. If you feel uncomfortable performing these steps or if you don't have the tools, remember we offer pickup and delivery at your home. This way, you can have your laptop diagnosed and repaired without any hassle. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. After reassembling your laptop, power it on and check if everything is functioning correctly. Pay attention to battery performance and look for any issues that may arise. If you experience problems, don't hesitate to reach out for support. For any repairs, we provide a quote before repair, so you know exactly what to expect. This transparency helps you make informed decisions about your laptop's maintenance. Following these steps will help you successfully check your MSI Modern 14 battery code and ensure your device runs smoothly. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.